In this video, I will show how I clean my nasty makeup sponge. This is how I clean my makeup sponge. I use a cleansing oil and foam cleanser. Use generous amount of oil to make the sponge soaked. Use more if needed. Rub and gently squeeze foundation out of the sponge. So all the oil gets in it already. It's so dry, so I will put more oil. Be gentle, you don't want to rip the sponge. So get all the foundation off the sponge. Do it like squeezing out. Run the warm water and rub and squeeze all the nasty things out. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze out. Now sponge is pretty clean, but I will use foam cleanser to make it more clean. With water and make sure the sponge inside is really clean. Thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe button. I will see you next time. Bye!